Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making juicy honey garlic pork chops. These chops are so simple to get ready yet taste divine. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So to start, we're gonna make the sauce. Into a small bowl, we're gonna combine honey, soy sauce. We're gonna go in with lemon juice, followed by minced garlic and black pepper. Then we're gonna stir everything together. Now let's move on to work on the pork chops. So here in a medium bowl, I have 4 6-ounce boneless pork loin chops. I'm gonna add the sauce to the pork chops and turn to coat. Then I'm gonna cover and refrigerate for 4 to 8 hours. I marinated mine for 6 hours. Now it's time to grill the pork chops. I have my grill at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the pork chops and grill 6 minutes on each side. After 6 minutes, I'm gonna flip over the pork chops and cook them on the other side for another 6 minutes. Remember guys, pork is done when it reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. After 12 minutes, remove the pork from the grill, cover it with foil and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes before serving. I served mine with vegetable medley. Guys, these pork chops, they are very juicy, tender and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.